Hello, my name is Wayne Godso from the Avaya Serviceability Engineering team. This tech tip will cover the steps to complete a bulk call on the Avaya Diagnostic Server. The Avaya Diagnostic Server bulk call feature can be used during deployment and testing scenarios to stress test the system. For example, if a branch location has a requirement to be able to make 50 simultaneous calls to the central office, the bulk call feature is used to simulate the requirement. The ADS server uses SLA-MON agents to initiate the bulk calls. These agents are embedded in the Avaya phone sets and must be configured and discovered before they are capable of being controlled by the ADS server. See the Avaya Mentor video called How to Discover an Agent on the Avaya Diagnostic Server, or the ADS documentation for complete details on agent config and discovery. ADS 1.0 supports the following agents: 96XX H323 phones 3.1 Service Pack 5 or later, and 96X1 SIP phones 6.2 or later. We will use the following steps to complete a bulk call. We'll log into the ADS server with administrative privileges. I'll use the root account in our example and SSH into the ADS server since the bulk call is initiated from the command line interface on the ADS server. You must create a text file using a text editor. In the file, enter each pair of source and destination telephone numbers to be used for making bulk calls as a new line item. The source number is listed first, followed by the destination. In our example, we will use the file called roottemp_bulkcall.txt containing the following lines. Save the new text file once you are done. There's an important note. The source phone must be a configured ADS agent. However, the destination phone can be any phone set and does not have to be an agent. Once you've saved your text file, change directory to the following directory and start the CLI session for SLA-MON server by running the following command. We'll execute the following command to make the bulk call. We'll replace the file path with the absolute file path of the text file we had created. The call duration and the call answer duration parameters are optional and the values are entered in seconds. The default value for the call duration is 300 seconds and the default value for the call answer duration is 7 seconds. For example, if you saved your text file as bulkcall.txt in the /root/temp directory, the command would look like the following. The SLA-MON server attempts to make calls from the source phone agent listed in the file to the destination phone number. If the destination phone is an agent, the call will automatically be answered. If the destination phone is not an agent, the call will be placed with a ring no answer result unless a user answers the phone. Run the following command to end bulk calls before the specified duration. This command will terminate all active calls. In our example, we'll SSH into the Avaya Diagnostic Server using the root user ID and password. Next, we'll change into the /root/temp directory to view our bulkcall.txt file. We'll use the more command to view the file. You can see that I have two calls defined in this text file, identifying the source and destination phone numbers separated by a comma. Next, we will change directories to the /opt/avaya/SLA-MON/CES-CLI directory and list the contents of that directory. Now we'll start the SLA-MON CLI to access the CLI features using the following shell command. Answer yes when prompted to the warning to continue. Now we'll execute the following command to start our bulk calls. The command syntax will be as follows. We execute the -bulk call command, followed by the path to our text file containing our source and destination phone numbers. This is followed by the call duration and the call answer duration parameters. In this case, it will be a 40-second call and the ADS agents will answer the call in 7 seconds. Our non-ADS agents will continue to ring no answer until the call duration is reached. Now we'll go ahead and execute our command to start our bulk call. When the bulk call executes, you will see the status of the calls and receive a notification of the calls that are answered by the remote agent. Finally, you will receive a complete message once the bulk call reaches the call duration. As you can see, using the bulk call feature on the Avaya Diagnostic Server is a quick and easy procedure. This feature will allow technicians to efficiently test capacity on Avaya phone systems. Thank you for your time today. We welcome comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. For more details or related information, please visit support.avaya.com. Thank you for choosing Avaya.